How to find Instagram account by phone number. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can find an Instagram account using a phone number. To begin, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Once you are on the home page, click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. On the profile page, look for 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the lines and a menu will appear. Scroll down in the menu until you find Discover People. Click on it and you will reach to this page. In the second option, you will see Connect Contacts to follow the people you know. If you want to follow a specific person on Instagram by finding their profile through their phone number, you will first need to save their contact in your device. Now, if you have done that, when you click on Connect, it will ask for permission to access your contact. Allow access and your contacts will be visible in this section. Scroll down to discover the contacts you have connected with and find the specific contact you have saved earlier. And that's it. You have successfully found an Instagram account using phone number. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.